Let's talk about bowling.
Ready in 5, bowling in 5.
Do we have sound effects? Like the pins?
No.
Oh.
I mean, afterwards.
Okay.
Ready in 5, 4.
I went to Skylands on Saturday, and I played with MJ, Mia, and Vanessa. I tied last place in the first game with a 72. And, well, my dad reminded me that I was going to have to tell my listeners my scores.
Uh-oh.
Something about my accountability. So I tried my hardest and got first place on the other 2 games. With a 144 and a 136.
Good job.
So do it again. You're too loud.
We're way too loud.
So then I got first place on the other 2 games with a 144 and a 136.
Good job. So wait, let me ask you a question. You said something about accountability. What's that all about?
So I had to tell my listeners my scores if I got them all wrong. So if I did so bad, they would not like the show. So and they would tell the Amos Skylanes that I did that score.
Right.
And then I would get kicked out.
You get kicked out by Skylanes if they didn't like your score?
Maybe.
Wow, that's a tough bowling alley.
Maybe I'm over-exaggerating.
Is that in Brooklyn?
Maybe I'm over-exact.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Boy, that's not like a tough place to bowl. I thought you told me Skylanes is fun.
It is pretty fun.
Okay.
But I'm very competitive.
I'm very competitive.
Oh, that's good to be
Like in
competitive. That's how you
Overwatch.
get better.
Like an Overwatch.
Like in Overwatch.
I'm silver rating.
You have a what? A silver rating. Is that the best rating?
There's platinum.
Platinum.
That's way better than gold.
Way better, of course. Way.
Oh, you don't know how much way.
I'm sure.
It's right after gold. Right after.
Okay. Cool. So is that your goal? Are you gonna make platinum on Overwatch?
I wanted to make gold on the first one.
Okay. Well, you got silver. That's a good start. What's below silver?
Bronze.
And what's below bronze?
Nothing.
Yeah. See, if I was playing, I would have tinfoil. So.
Okay. I just missed getting a turkey, but I had a blast. If you want to go bowling, be sure to join me Saturday at AMF Skyline on OBC at 10 a.m. in the morning.
Now wait a sec. AMF Skylands gives you turkeys? Is that like for Thanksgiving?
No. For if you get 3 strikes in a row.
Yeah.
That's a turkey because.
So you get to eat the
it's
turkey.
3 strikes now.
You don't eat the turkey.
No, because I just got a
So I like eating turkey.
We really just call it a turkey.
Why do you call it a turkey?
Because we can't call it triple strike.
Why can't you call it triple strike?
Because really it wouldn't sound good.
Triple strike! That sounds pretty good to me.
Well, strike!
Strike!
Turkey!
Turkey!
Well, I didn't make the rules.
Well, I didn't really make the rules.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe the person made the rules like turkey.
Yeah.
Like a little gravy and a turkey sandwich. He wasn't a vegan, whoever he was who made these rules. If there's any vegan listeners, we really apologize. We don't want to offend anyone today, and I'm sure there's turkeys living free, and they should continue to live free and just gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Can you gobble like a turkey?
Gobble, gobble, gobble,
Gobble, gobble, gobble, gobble. That was a good gobble.
There you go. Maybe this might end up on Thanksgiving. I know. There's so much more. I said this might end up on Thanksgiving, but I was like, no, there's so much more.